Keiss School today, they were just doing like a sort of bass line or harmony line. The xylophones was doing a bass line and the violins was doing a harmony line, along with Richard was playing the piano and I was playing the tune on the accordion. So it's very basic, it's just a backing line to a traditional tune. We actually start off quite basic, like maybe tunes like Twinkle Little Star. I know it's not traditional, but it's a tune that everyone knows, and if they can manage to get that out of an instrument, they maybe see how that instrument works, and then they can progress from there. If they do a bit of music, it helps their mind or the brain to work towards other things, and it's something different for them when they see other people coming in. It helps their social skills to see other teachers coming in instead of maybe being stuck with their one teacher the whole time.
I think it's important that we keep our traditions going. I mean, it's a great thing for us to have, and to see the kids get it. It's really, you feel a sense of achievement when they get that, and you can see they feel it as well. They get that tune. Once they got that first tune, they keep on going from there, and it's really rewarding. I think you get quite a lot of, from what we do, you get a little group work skills, because they have to watch us when we're starting. We have to watch the other kids to see what they're doing, if they're doing the same thing. And it gets them working together, and it really helps them with that. I think even if they don't go on to use music as a career, it's a great thing to have done in school because it keeps them engaged. If you go and do something completely different, which traditional music is really from, it's different from your maths and your English lessons, and it keeps you interested, it keeps you going.